Go to CapCut app in your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it on Play Store or Apple Store. Click on the background video. Click on the overlay, then add the video you want to edit. Click on Edit to trim the video. Make sure you use green screen to record the video in Avakin before coming to edit it, so you could be able to change the background. Click on Chrome key, then select the green background to change it. Move the avatar video to the left end of the video and click on the plus icon. Watch carefully for the rest. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos coming. Thank you.